Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group, and today I want to talk to you about 3D puffy foam and the best ways to use it and which ones are better for your project. Now on these hats, if you notice, these are all 3D and nice raised effect. If you look at the sides, you can see how nice and puffed up they are. Some of you out there are using craft foam, and that is not ideal for these type of projects. You need a foam that's going to stand up over time and with all the needle penetrations as we're stitching. So we do have standard foam, and the standard foam, if I were to pinch it, you can see how it just smashes down. It just squeezes in. And this is a 3D foam for hats. So even though it's a 3mm, once I stitch it, I don't have that beautiful raised look. Sometimes I have to use two pieces just to make it look really like it's puffed. However, there's a product that we carry here at Graphic Solutions Group. It's called Bodybuilder. It too is just a 3mm in thickness, but when you go to pinch and push down, it doesn't move. It's good, it's stable, it's nice, and it's going to make your embroidery really stand out for these projects. On your 3D foam, it does come in these sheets, and you cut it down to size depending on the size of your actual embroidery on your hat. So just keep in mind, it does come in sheets. You can get plenty of cap fronts with a sheet. Also keep in mind, when you're doing 3D foam, you have to make sure the design was created for 3D foam embroidery. So more tips and tricks on 3D foam, give us a call here at Graphic Solutions Group. We'll be happy to help you.